Try not to have a relationship with a married man or woman thinking they will marry you. If they could not fear desolating the first marriage, where will they get the holiness to honor this one? Don't walk around with Assyrians. They'll murder you. You will love a guy and plead with him to leave his wife for you. He will leave. But then his Assyrian tendencies will rise again. Now you will be the sacrificial lamb. And then you will come and ask people to pray for you. The other lady also prayed. Her church also fasted. But you were a powerful demon. Now someone has become a powerful demon to you. Don't associate with Assyrians. Walk away. A married man comes to you and tries to say things. Tell him, get thee behind me. Get thee behind me. You say something again, I'll find your wife on Facebook. I'll tell her exactly what you said. You guys like it? Oh, no. It's going to work out. He likes me. He loves me. He's having marital problems. All of us have marital problems. Let me tell you, we have invested all our lives in those marriages. We are not going to leave. It's a lie. It's a lie. I have sons in that marriage who need me. I have built assets in that marriage that I will lose if I leave my wife. Over and above loving my wife, it makes common sense to stay. Never be a fool and think he will leave his wife for you. He is not. He has built a life there. But he will gladly take your few nights of forgetting his troubles.